Hello, and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we're in November 2022, and I've been getting new seed orders in the mail, and I've already had to take some substitutions on some stuff because they were already sold out of it. So this is a brand new seed order that I got from Johnny's. This one here was, part of this was placed back in October, and these here, two over here, were placed in November. So I am going to be keeping the Monstrum Tall Mix straw flowers, and I'm going to be keeping the creamy white straw flower. We're going to be trying the Audrey purple red Gomphrenias. They were out of the one that I normally get, so we're going to be trying the Audrey one. I do really like the Audrey white, so hopefully this one here will be just as good as the purple Gomphrenia that I normally get. We're going to be trying out a king-size orange straw flower, and they finally got in the silver dollar eucalyptus. When I seen this, I went ahead and placed my order really quick. I got 250 seeds of this one here because they've been out of it for so long. I wanted to make sure that I went ahead and got this variety here, and I'm really looking forward to getting to try this variety. I got the Raspberry Cream Gomphrenia. Again, I really like these. These are really pretty. To me, they look like raspberry ice cream color. So I really like this one here. This here, we're going to be trying out a Sanjay Branching Sunflower. I'm really looking forward to getting to try this one here. And then I kept the QIS Yellow Status. Beautiful color. This is going to be my go-to yellow status, and I kept the Sunday Gold Celosia, so I got some more seeds of that one. I didn't know if I was going to get any seeds off of my plants, and it turns out that I am going to be getting seeds off of them because I still have them going in the greenhouse and they are producing seeds. But just to make sure I had that variety, I went ahead and bought this one here just to make sure I had it. So this is my new seed order. We're going to be trying some new stuff, and like I said, we're going to be keeping some old stuff. So I do have videos on my channel for how to grow straw flowers from seed, Gomphrenia from seed, eucalyptus from seed, and I also have how to start the status from seed. And for the sunflowers, I am going to be doing a video on these for how to start these from seed. These are most likely going to be direct seeded out into the garden. I don't think I'm going to be starting these early. So I haven't quite decided yet, but we'll see. So I'm really looking forward to getting to try these new varieties. So I just wanted to share this seed order with you here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.